Hi guys, in the video. Oops. Oh.
Stay in there.
So it's for them. Oh, see. Oh, you can't wait. Oh, sige. Eat it. Oopsie. Oops, nice.
Don't hit me in the face.
Hi. Eat it na. Yeah, eat it.
Over here, guys.
Hi, they're in here, Nay. They're in there. You can give it in here, Nay. So they're eating corn right now. See. So that's their treats. And then today, oh, they're in there. That's our chicken. Yep. So I got this one for rabbit. Is a little it's a cabbage. I mean, it's like a Chinese cabbage. So let's go give them. Want some? So that's Whitey. Oh, here's for you, Whitey. Eat it. And share, Maha, share. Share. Oh, so Whitey is chowing now. Right? Then look at that. Hoy. Hoy. What are you doing in the top? So everybody's the top too. Hi. Pale. Ay. Oh, that's Pale. Come on. Litos. Come on down. Pale. Come on down in here. Come on. Sorry na ito ibutang, guys. Para makaon na sila. So, narag baby, oh. Kana siya. Hi. Eat it. Na, in here. No, right there. Na, nag-hide man na siya. Tinghatag ni Pali. Pali! Pali! So, narang. Ban. So, Pali. Pali! Oh, uy. Pali. Shh. Near. Rao. Na nagunsa man sa Pali, nagkaon man na siya. So, naraan na sila, guys. Tawag usa. Kaunan na si Jaron. Tatado wata. Oops. So, munig among baby. Hi. Uy, why you're sleeping? Tara, oh. Pale. Pale. Shh. Beep, 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 beep. Nahuwa man. Don't care man si Pale. Pero, si Whitey nag-eat. Good job, Whitey. Eat it. So, money among routine. This one is our routine every day. So, here we go. Hi. So, this one is their coop too. And the other one in here. So, they can dig everywhere, guys. So, that's how we did. That's a hole over there. Then we got another coop over here. And then tunnel. So, they can go inside. I'll show you inside. So, that's inside. That's other trap over here. Other door over there. So, they can go. And that's inside the shed. Door inside the shed. Over here, guys. Over there. Hi. Did you enjoy it? Huh? Did you? So we got plenty of wood chips in here. So it's easy to flip. They're easy to flip, guys. No? Alright. Hi. Hi. So, here's the other one. Hi. How you doing? Oopsie. Sige, enjoy. Si Sophie. That's Sophie. This one is Lily. And the other one is Reba. And who's the other one, eh? Dali. Dali is coming. Tara. Wait. Just wait, guys. Dali is coming. Nah, Dali. See, that's Dali. That's Reba. That's Lily. And that's Sophie. Hi. So, let's go. So, that looks like now. You got me to look. So, here's our duckling. Duckling. Duckling everywhere. Na duck. That's a duck. Pearl and Winnie. Winnie the Pooh. Hi.
See, this eye is real good, but the other one.
You still crying? So that one is at the top of the porch. She's crying. I think her eyes is kinda something, but that's yesterday because they fight yesterday, both of them. So this one is so pity. Yeah, kawawa, I mean. So narito sa tong garden. So we're done, huh? Let's go in my garden. Okay. So guys, I'm checking now for the egg, if we got egg in here. Whoops. Nope. Just a fake egg. Nothing. So that's the flower. Wow, that's pretty flower. Pretty little flower. Uy, naa siya. Nag-pollinate. Wow. Nag-pollinate siya, guys. Okay, so next video arista sa tong garden. Bye!